Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Odense, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pluck your lace frontal wigs without needing any baby hairs. I already bleached this frontal and I have a video on my channel about it. Do not forget to like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the end. So basically this is what the hairline looks like. This hair, I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below, but the company that sent this hair to me said this hair was a pre-plucked frontal. I'm like, this don't look pre-plucked to me, girl. So anyways, I had to go ahead and pluck it myself, which is the reason for this video, obviously. So as you guys can see how I'm plucking, what I normally do is I pluck a part of the hair and then skip the next part and go to the next part. So like I make gaps between the hair, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna keep quiet and let you guys watch, because pretty much this tutorial is more visual than I can explain it. So let me just keep quiet and let you guys watch it. So one thing that you need to be doing whenever you're plucking is, as you pluck, make sure you comb through the hair as often as possible, because you do not want a situation where you end up over plucking your frontal. And also remember that when you pluck your frontal the first time, do not pluck too much hair out. I know we all want our the hairline to look natural, but do not over pluck it, because the frontal is going to shed over time, and there's really no point in plucking it too much the first day, because after a while it's going to thin out more. So whenever I pluck the sides of my ear, I usually pluck it a little bit more, because usually you don't have that much hair on the sides of your hair. And whenever you're plucking, make sure you're pulling out the entire strand. Make sure you pull out all the knots. Don't just cut short hairs, because people tend to make that mistake. So after I was done with everything, this is what it looks like. This is the before and the after. So yes, girl, there's a lot of difference, and I'm loving how this turned out. This is a 360 lace frontal wig. So I went ahead and I just put it in a ponytail so that I can pluck the back. I sincerely didn't do too much to the back, because I wasn't going to be putting this hair up. But yeah, I'm basically doing the same thing I was doing in the front of the hair. And yes guys, that's pretty much it. That's how the hairline turned out to be. If you guys want to watch a video of how I bleached this frontal, I have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.